Hey, what's up? What pop, y'all? It's your girl, Emiliana Designs. It's one of the services that I provide, and that is a QR code business card. I have my own business card here to show you guys an example why you want a QR business card and not a traditional business card. Some people like their business card to just be one-sided. They don't want two sides, right? A lot of people have their business cards where they list out a whole bunch of stuff on their business card. Like, have you ever seen a business card that was like, okay, they picture was real small in the corner, then their name was probably up here, and then they started listing a whole bunch of stuff, and then they probably had something over here. That's how traditional business cards would be like. But if you have a double-sided, especially if you do two separate things like me, this way you can show more of your stuff, what you have to offer, and then you use the QR code as your guide to wherever you want your client to go. That can be your YouTube channel, that can be your website, that can be, your link page where you have all your links of everything. So I'll show you guys what I mean by that in a second, okay? So I'm an illustrator and I'm a designer. So the illustration part of me is on the top. The designer part of me is on the bottom, which is the back of the business card, right? So this is asking for them to inquire today for the YouTube design services, telling what I actually do. This is my tagline, Aligned by Design. It's a code that attaches to other external links and avenues to get to your business, to get to your YouTube channel, to get your TikTok, whatever you want it to link to. That's what the QR code is for. Why you need this? One, it saves on wasting money on business cards. Because I remember when I first made my first business card, I designed my first business card. You got business cards and you pass them out. People just like, they take it, they look at it, and then when you're gone, they like trash it or they leave it somewhere or whatever. And then they didn't really care. You passing out your business card. Oh, okay, la 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 la. They didn't really care, right? Okay, so you just wasted all that money for what? You wasted all your money for what? And now a lot of times when people pass out business cards, it depends on who you passing it out to. Some people really do have a place where they keep their business cards. But some people, they have a business card and then it just be lingering somewhere and you don't know where the heck that business card went to. You forgot all about it. It's very easy to misplace or not have a business card. But if you have a QR code, so let's say you get the service from me, I will do your design, send you the link, and if you're having a conversation with somebody and they're like, oh my God, you do so-and-so? Really? What's your information? Let's say you didn't want to give them your Instagram. Because I know a lot of people, they use Instagram to, oh, this is my Instagram. Let's say if somebody forget what your Instagram handle is, they can't write it down or whatever, they can't type it out, whatever. Okay, boom. They just scan the QR code and they will have access to whatever you want them to have access to. So that could be a website, digitized business card that people can just scan the code and the code will take them to where you want them to go. And it's very cost effective. It saved the trees. And then it allows you to put more on your, but also put less on your business card. So that way your business card isn't cluttered with so many links. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I was able to put both of what I do on my business card. But I also suggest when I make a QR business card is, even though you have this QR code here and you want them to visit the thing, what if you have someone who doesn't understand a QR code, but they do want to look you up? leave at least some form of contact or some portfolio type thing, and people can see what you actually do without having to scan the QR code, get the service. I suggest to always have one thing still there in case you do have an audience where they don't understand it, or they see your business card and they want to hurry up and look you up instead of scanning the code. So yeah, if I make any designs, I made them inside of Canva. If I did not make them inside of Canva, I made them inside of Procreate. Where did the design come from? This is actually one of my illustrations I made in Procreate that is in my coloring book called Alarm by Design. Is available on Amazon. So what I did was, in my profile picture, which I kind of say is my logo, but it's really a profile picture that represents what I do. So if somebody was to look at my profile picture, which is right here, if someone was to look at my profile picture, they would be like, okay, what does she do? I don't know. It looks like she is the designer, like she is the focal point, but yet she does YouTube designs and she's also an illustrator. And I put one of my coloring pages inside of that logo or profile picture by the front, the first part. So, this is like your name and then what your title is, what your little tagline may be, an image that supports your business, of course, your logo, or maybe a photo of you, and then just a little bit of description of what this photo is or whatnot, or what product you have available. So then this is the other side business card. I have inquired today, saying what my service is and what I do for other people. Because I do two separate things, I have two things on my business card. Be sure to inquire today. It's your girl Emiliana Designs.